Today, you will master your bias and learn how to day trade through and towards your bias with market structure. Of course, we will use our best momentum scalping strategy with our best trading view indicator. No more empty talk, let's start now. Let's have a good talk about today's number one top gainer coin to trade. Yes, I will talk about the TON USDT. We will cover everything from the weekly to minute-based charts for top-down analysis as usual. You can easily understand that this coin was heading in a certain direction. It was our institutional levels the previous week high and our weekly imbalance. I want you to notice this. Weekly rally here, a 40% rally. You need to see this. This coin was in a rally way before hunting the previous week high or weekly imbalance. This is not a new rally. From the daily chart, you can already notice this daily imbalance. And see this. With a single tap to imbalance, an inner daily rally ignited. All the rallies were designed for one thing. Hunting the previous week high with the imbalance above. We can say this is a designed smart money action here. You already know this daily imbalance ignited the daily power for the rally. Again, all this happens before hunting the weekly high and weekly imbalance, before reaching our bias. I want you to notice this middle section area because it is very important. Let me stretch the chart a bit to see things clearly. Notice how the price takes a little break at this gas station area to fuel up, to get some power, to continue to rally. It is using the 30-minute, 45-minute, and 1-hour imbalances. Let's go down to the lower time frames and read the price action in a more detailed way. Okay, everything is great. I know that this is a universal intersection point of 3 different higher time frame imbalance steps. Watch what happens afterward. Price makes a market structure break and it gives you your first entry with the imbalance. You can jump this rally to gain around 2% move. Not your best day, I know that. But this is trading. You will do what you can do. Okay. You have missed that entry. No problem. Wait for a new break-off structure with a structure box to enter. Remember, 90% of trading is all about waiting and being patient. Here is your second chance. Now, this second entry is how to make a rally. If you cannot do a rally, just use a very small risk-reward based trade. Build a 1.5 hour or 2 hour setup very quickly in and out. As a day trader, you must fight your greed. Do not imagine that your trades will go forever. I used to do this a lot. I was entering a trade and imagining it will go up forever and ever. But markets are really cruel. They taught me the real lessons in a hard way. Get in and get out. Be done with your trade. Okay, now let me do a quick recap. We have a very simple trading idea here. We first define our bias, an institutional level liquidity or imbalance, a place, a target that price may move to in high time frames, such as weekly highs or lows with imbalances. And then we wait for a good entry. Here is your secret. Waiting and being patient. Yes, 90% of trading is all about waiting. And then day trade or quickly scalp towards our bias. However, we do not imagine that our trades will go forever. We get in and out. Okay, people, this is all for today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. See you next time and please take care.